Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Dukes RC. Today I have my Arrma Fireteam. I'm going to be installing the JConcepts FLING Kings. These are made for the Traxxas E Revo and the Arrma Kraton. I haven't seen any video or anybody else install a set of tires like these on the Fireteam. But I did see videos of other YouTubers using the Arrma Kraton wheels on top of the Fireteam. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to put these FLING Kings, these mud bogger tires on there. So I get these tires taken off and get the install going. These are a little lower than the original tires, but because these tend to have that pizza cutter effect, it'll get a little taller when it does run at high speed, especially with the 6S power. And then hopefully it'll give it a little bit more inertia for doing, you know, backflips and whatnot. These tires don't flex too much, so it doesn't have a tendency to want to flip really easy. But we'll see how it goes once we get these installed. Now these are directional. These are the left sides, as you can see, and these are the rights. They also came with the center hubcaps and screws. We'll see if we install those. We might leave those off. As you can tell, the height difference, width difference. These will substantially stick a lot farther out as well. These tires also come with their own hub nut tool, so it makes it easier to fit the deeper set wheels. Take the body off, make it a little easier. Body back on. Tires are a lot smaller than what the original ones were, but I think it looks pretty sick. Looks pretty sweet. I might paint these black just to give it that full stealth look like its original wheels. Don't get me wrong, these wheels are cool, but they don't flex. They don't pizza cutter as much, so I don't get that inertia force that I need to do a little more stunts. I mean, you can do stunts with these wheels, I just thought these mud slingers would be pretty cool, being that I haven't seen one on anyone yet. So we'll get a video out with this doing some runs, and then yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe.